Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. No matter what kind of advertising campaign you're running, if your end goal is to generate a phone call, you absolutely, positively, without a doubt, must be tracking your calls. And with offline marketing like television advertising, this is even more important. TV advertising is notorious for being one of the most difficult channels for marketers to measure, but in recent years, with the evolution of call tracking technology like Ringba, it's become increasingly easier. In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of using call tracking for TV commercials. Call tracking makes it easier to attribute conversions for specific TV commercials and get performance insights that were previously unattainable to advertisers running TV campaigns. Ringba automatically provides a wealth of caller data and information to help you run your campaigns more effectively. As your TV campaigns run, Ringba will list callers driven by each campaign, providing you with important data insights so you can see the complete picture of how your commercial is performing and ways you can improve your marketing strategies. Combining Ringba's call tracking software with your TV ad campaigns, you'll finally have the ability to calculate your return on advertising spend, also known as ROAS. It's the marketing metric that measures the amount of revenue your business earns for each dollar it spends on advertising. It's calculated by taking the total value of the conversion and dividing it up by your advertising costs. With call tracking software, you can accurately track your calls, conversions, revenue, and more specific ad spots and measure the performance of your TV commercials. Call tracking creates a vital data map connecting your offline sales with your marketing efforts because you'll have full performance data to see how to better optimize your ad campaigns as well as how many leads each ad generates. This will help you implement a marketing attribution model for driving conversions as well as revenue in your TV ad campaigns. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per call, visit www.ringba.com.